Hey, this is Jesse with Finding My Wings. Welcome back. So I wanted to celebrate a little bit of something today. So I'm going to do a very minor mod in my car that's only going to take a minute or two. And I want to talk to you a little bit about finally having 100 subscribers and 20,000 views total. Now it might not seem like a lot with all these million views, 10 million view videos, 10 million subscriber channels. But it's really personally satisfying to me, and it proves that there is something kind of worthwhile to actually doing more videos and putting some more effort in my videos as well, as you may have noticed. So let's walk through it, and I want to talk to you a little bit about why you should actually like, share, and subscribe. But I also want to show you a quick and easy little thing that actually can make this car a little bit nicer to own and drive. Allegedly. Potentially. Let's find out. I got an order of stickers from 2Gay Dreamers. Now, I love 2Gay Dreamers, I love their car, I love their social media. It's just a great sticker. Drive safe, someone cares about you, please look out on the road. It's something I really believe in. I don't think you need to go brutally fast. Perfect for a 200 horsepower, 150 foot-pounds of torque Toyota, like mine. So I'm actually gonna put these on the car in a very specific spot. As you can see, there's not really anything on the exterior of my car. I do have some stickers in the trunk, but I actually don't like them. They were just kind of a spur of the moment type thing. And so I'm gonna show you an easy way to take care of those ugly visor warnings in here and talk to you about what kind of videos are coming. All I'm gonna need for today is 2 of these stickers, my scissors, and a pen. Let's do it. Damn door jams. So my interior is brutally stock. We don't even have that throttle control anymore. I didn't actually post a video on that. I did start making one and I didn't really finish it, so I'll talk about that and why there's no more spacers on my car as well in an upcoming video. So more reasons to subscribe. There you go. What I'm talking to you about today are these airbag warnings. So these aren't necessarily a huge legal issue to cover up or anything like that, but a lot of the kits to actually cover this up are kind of complex or expensive or DIY in ways that I don't really want to do things to my car. So we came up with the easy, simple idea of putting a sticker on it. Now, of course, this isn't going to cover everything. So with only 2 hands here, I chose to line it up right here. So the white around this sticker is just the actual sticker backing. It will come off. And so I'm going to leave exposed this warning: even with advanced airbag, children could be killed or seriously injured by the airbag. In case, anybody drives my car or any questions come up, it kind of reminds you a little bit that this thing is this is like a 2,700 pound little meteor going down the road, and you could kill somebody. So I love 2Gay Dreamers. I love their content. I would check them out on Instagram, check out their web store. They got some cool merch, awesome sweaters and things coming out, but not necessarily a little plug for them. I just wanted to find a cool sticker that was worthwhile putting here. So I'm basically just gonna mark it right here, and so I know where this sunglass clip is, and we're actually gonna cut it so it goes around the sunglass clip and stays completely elevated and keeps this piece still usable. So you line it up here, just put a small pen mark right where I need to cut this thing. I'm actually gonna cut it first, and then we're gonna readjust this, cut it for the next one, and then do the passenger side. But while I'm doing this, I want to talk to you a little bit, very short. I'm going to try to keep this video pretty short, about why you should actually subscribe or care about my channel. So, I actually kind of got started with startup scenes. So to me, I have to do some validation to actually prove that it's worth doing something fully. Now this car's been perfect for that because this is low kilometers. This just hit 29,000 kilometers on it. And I got it with 1,800 about 2 years ago. So this car hasn't really needed anything, but it's fun to actually do some stuff too. So that's where a lot of my content is. This is a good condition car, doesn't need a lot of work. I'm not an extreme kind of a guy. I'll show you actually kind of how the dream build will piece out and some of the things that are coming very shortly when Canada shipping and logistics gets its crap together. But ultimately, I run everything like that in my life. If it's worth my time, which it's starting to feel like it is, 100 subscribers, 20,000 views, reposts, community kind of gathering around it, I really appreciate it. I appreciate you for coming here and actually watching this video. And the more support that we can get, the more proof that we get that people actually care about this and that it's helpful or entertaining for you, the more videos we'll make. I have other cars. This isn't my only car. This has been a great place to start with YouTube, but I would love to show you my other stuff, which is actually quite rare and unique, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. And some of the parallels to a car like this too, which is pretty cool. Plus our daily driver, which I'll talk about a little bit shortly because I've had to do a couple things to it here and there. But let's get this sticker put in. Keep it short as a thank you. So I found it easiest to just bend it over this, get a nice straight line here, and then we'll cut between these 2 points, which should be pretty straight at this point. Now we'll just get it on here. It doesn't really matter where I put it, as long as it's aligned to this edge. And we're gonna cut for the other side of this glasses holder, which is apparently impossible to see with this lighting. And I only have 2 hands, so I can't hit the backlight thing, but you'll see when I'm done. Now we have a 3-part sticker. And so we're gonna actually stick this onto the car now. 1, 2, 3. So you can see this sunglass holder clip is still fully intact, still fully usable. Looks a little bit weird, but it still gets the point across. Drive safe, be smart out there. And if you're smart, keep watching this channel. And I'll do the other side, show what it looks like. So here we go. I, of course, could have got a little bit thicker sticker, and probably would have covered all of this. And there's lots of other ways to actually kind of remove or cover this thing. But I thought this was the best way to do it. And it always reminds you when you look up that you really should be driving safe. Whether you're a passenger or a driver. There's some cool stickers as well. I was debating some other things. I chose these because they are matte, they are black, so they kind of blend in a bit. They're not too flashy, they're not gross. They should age pretty well, they're good high quality. And it still kind of keeps you focused on driving without any reflective or holographic stuff going on. So all this just to say that I really appreciate the subscriptions, the likes, the views, the time we spent viewing my videos, and this is motivation for me to do better and to do more. So keep an eye out, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it with anybody you know that's interested in this car, other cars. Their other stuff is classic British stuff. And we'll make some videos on that very soon, as we're finally getting some vaccinations and some things opening up that we can actually go to my car and start making some content about my other car. So look forward to seeing you back here soon. Thank you very much. This is Finding My Wings.